Hi guys, thank you for coming with me to Dollar General. Let's take a look at what they have left, guys. Between summer stuff and school stuff coming out, guys, let's just take a look and see what we can get. I don't think anything is reduced, but let's see. So this big, I like this tumbler, guys. This is $8, and this has always been one of my favorites. This is $8. Yep, and well, this one is $5. It's in rose gold. That's kind of cute. Then they have this one here, that's $4. And then this water bottle here is $5. Then they have the one can style. Isn't that cute? $5. And here's Paw Patrol for $2. So here's the stemless wine glass, guys. That's $1. Here's that big tumbler. They have it in green, and they also have it in that blue. I'm pretty sure that's $8. So then they have these glasses, guys. I love that cobalt blue. So these are $1.50, and here they're on that peach color. This is just random stuff that's left, guys. Here are the lemon big cups. Those are $1. Then they have these, the summer, enjoy summer, and the strawberry. Those are $1 each. And I always like this cup, guys. Doesn't that give you that Pioneer Woman vibe? And here's the blingy one in the blue right there. These kid cups here. That's Mickey. That's $3. And then they have Paw Patrol. And then they have this big wall. You know, nobody ever bought this all summer. Then you have some more of those blingy ones. And this is a nice big water bottle. You have to drink a lot of water. And this is what's left over of the platters and the wire baskets. Okay, so here they have those tumbler cups. We have a lot of those in multicolor. Those are $4 for $1. Then these containers, guys, are so cute. These are $3 for $1, and the blue, and they also come in the blue. And then here are the bowls too. And then here's the drinking container. But what's cool is that they have straws, guys, and these are $5. So that's not bad, I guess. Then here are your plates, and there is your what's left of the basket. So we have these baskets over here. And these, they're pretty big, guys. Look at that. And that's a nice color. Okay, that is $4 a basket. Then this is what's left of the table cloths. Those are $4. They have that style. This one. They have this one. And they have this one. Okay, because this one is the same as that. And then they have this big collapsible one. Look at this. This is called a storage bin. This humongous one, that'd be nice for laundry. It's $12. So the pillows, guys, are all different prices. And I don't see anything reduced. So let's see. There's $12. And then this one is $10. And I'm loving this one. Actually, I like these both. Okay, and then this one is, let me see, that's $10 right there. Okay, so then you have the placemats over there. Happiness is homemade. And these guys, I think these mats are for in the house. So anyway, this says Farmers Market, locally grown fruits and vegetables. That, guys, is $8. And they have another one over here. Look, I'm trying to see this one here. Look at that one. That one says coffee. And that's not the price, guys. So that's probably $8. These placemats here are $3. So if we come down here, these plates, these wavy ones here, they're melamine. These are $2 a piece in this style. It doesn't look like they have any other size except for these two bowls. That's what they have left. And then these two sets here, guys, these are $1 a piece. So you have the plate, the salad plate. Then you have this one. This is kind of cute though, isn't it? So these guys are $1. Then here's the placemat to go with those dishes. And these placemats, none of this stuff is reduced. $3, guys. Then they have this wall decor piece right here with the cow. So if I'm looking at this correctly, this is $5, guys, right there. That one. Then you have this one that says Welcome Farm Shop, sausage and bacon, $5. And I'm loving this. This is like a cutting board. It looks like a cutting board, and it comes with the numbers and the letters for $10. The size is huge, guys. I think that's a good buy. Okay. So you have very random stuff, guys. Summer stuff is very scarce now, but none of it is reduced. I like that little block. That is $1. This is $2. It says Hello Spring. Here's an ice cream scooper, guys. This is $1, along with the can opener, that palm tree can opener. Okay, this one is Feel the Beat. I like this sign. It says $3. And then here is the lemon menu. I am a chalkboard, so you can write on it. That's $4. And these pillows here, guys, these are $3. So that one says Home Sweet Home, and that one says Bless This Nest. That matches the pillows we were just looking at. This one says Fresh Flower Market, and that one too. This one is in the green. And then here's a chalkboard. That's $1, guys. And then here it is in the black. And these initial ones, these are $2. And here's one left of this sweet watermelon. It's $1. And then this one, the pineapple, guys, says welcome. That's $1. And then, guys, this I love this sign here. I don't know if it's because of the green buffalo check, but I'm loving that sign. So that one, guys, is $2.50. I wish they would reduce that. So here is the wooden bamboo spoon, guys, and you can't beat that for $1. Yep, that's what it is. And then this, guys, has been here forever, $3.50. And they don't reduce it either. Okay, so this is Ego stainless steel straws. I like that. So these guys are $2, and I think it comes with a brush. And this glass here, and these are so cute, guys, $2. So then they have these faux succulent plants, hanging plants for $4. You know what, guys? I always thought these $4 jars, these jars, guys, are $4 a piece. I don't know, because Dollar Tree sells, maybe they don't come with all these ridges and stuff like that, but they do have nice designs on theirs, and those are only $1. Okay, so here's these metal animals are $1 a piece, and then they come here framed with the chicken wire. These are $1 a piece too. So this one says moo, that one says bat, oink, moo. One with the chicken wire, guys, is I think it's $3.50. Isn't that cute? I'm loving that green. So then we get into what they have for back to school, guys. So here's their regular book bags. Let me see. Okay, guys, so here's the shark, and this is just a regular book bag. These are $5. And then here's the unicorn, and then there's the cat, and here is a dinosaur. Isn't that adorable? These guys are $5. And then these are $5 also. This one comes with the pom-pom though. That's nice, and I'm liking that print. This one, guys, look, that's $5 just for that plain color. Here's the sharks. This one is plain, and these are all plain. So the regular book bags are $5 here, so long as they don't have that fancy sequence. But now this is the set that I think is a good buy. This set here is a 5-piece set, guys. So you get the backpack, the ruler, the lunch bag, you get the clip, and you get the pencil case. See? So you get the little clip, see right here, that clip that holds everything together. Then here's the ruler, here's the lunch bag, the pencil pouch, that clip, and then the book bag. So these are $10. So if you bought it separate, it would come out the same, I guess. And then the lunch, see, because the lunch box is $6. So $6 is the half price of the that's the half price of the book bag, guys. So that's the better buy, that 5-piece set. So here's the pencil pouches, and guys, these igloo things go quickly. Here they're $1.75. Dollar Tree has them if you could still find them. So here you have the little chill packs. This one is the sloth. Then they have two kinds, because they have the cactus and the mermaid tail. And I can't really reach in the back, but those are pretty good. Let me see how much those are. Okay, so these two with the cactus and the mermaid tail is $2. How much is this one? and then $2 for this pack. So I don't know, guys. Then here's another lunch box. This one is Paw Patrol, and this is $6, guys. Okay, guys, so over here we have the combination lock for $175. And then I was telling you that the I Imagine pencil erasers, these are two for $1. Guys, you can get 6 for $1 at Dollar Tree, if not more, 6 or 8, I can't remember. And then here is a package of the 20 count for $1. This might be a good buy though. And then you have the pencil sharpeners for 50 cents. So they have a 2-pack for $1, so this is okay. Then they have the battery operated, but see, this isn't. This is the Westcott battery operated pencil sharpener, guys. Here is $4.50, and at Dollar Tree, if you can get it, it's $1. Then the pencils, guys, at number 2 pencils, these are 10 for $2.75. You can get a 24-pack for $1. Then these, what I call designer pencils, when I was over at Dollar Tree, guys, you can get a double pack of these. I'm pretty sure close to, well, these are 8 in a pack, but I'm pretty sure you can get more than this for $1. So it's $1 for 8. I think you can get more of that for $1. And then here are some mechanical pencils, guys. So you get 7 for $1. And then here is the 8-pack, again, an 8-pack of the number 2 pencils for $125. And here they are 8 for 50 cents. Like, I don't understand. The Dixon pencils are $125, and then the I Imagine is 50 cents. That doesn't make sense to me, guys. Then here are the planners. Look at that one. I like that pretty one. This one is $3. You can get the planners over at Dollar Tree, guys. Unless there's something different about these, you can get those for $1 because the inside is probably the same. Make today amazing. So I'm loving the way the planners look, though. Then you have the colored pencils. You have 12 for $1. That's Crayola. Then you have the dry erase markers. These are 3 for $1.50. And here's the dry erase markers off Hub. That's $2.50. And look at the size of this Sharpie, guys. I showed you one over at the Dollar Tree. So that, guys, that marker is $1.85. And this, I like this marker. This is a fine tip Sharpie. But they had the fine tip over at Dollar Tree for $1. It's $2.25 here. So here's the 3-pack of Sharpie, $2.95. 2-pack of highlighters, $1.25. Guys, and here, look at this Sharpie. Okay, so all of these Sharpies, guys, they range from $1.75 to $2, $2.85. And this one here is $2.95. So you have your ballpoint pens for $1. Then you have these 3-pack for $1. And then what are these? These are Papermate Jumbo, $2. But these Westcott scissors, guys, you can get them for $1, and these too. So here, guys, are $1. Then you have your glues. These school glue by I Imagine is 50 cents. And then I Imagine glitter glue for $1. Elmer's glue, this size, $1. The glue sticks, 3 in a pack, $1.85, and the bigger ones are $1. Here is the 5-pack for $2.50, and there's the refill glue. And yeah, these are your washable markers, $2.50. Okay, 50 cents for their rulers. And then they have the little calculators here for $1. Here, your Post-it notes for $1.50, and these kind here, multicolor, 3-pack, $1. Then you have your binders, and here is 50 cents for your glue stick. And then the 3-pack is $1. Then here you have your sheet protectors. Okay, how much is that? I don't see a price for those, but then here are your storage pencil containers for $1. Then your binders. So your binders, depending on the size, like, guys, these huge ones, these are $6. Then the 2-inch ones are $4. And then the 1-inch are $2.50. These over here are $1.75. Then you have your folders along the bottom, some more binders, and here are your notebooks. So these 3 subject notebooks are $1.85. This is 5 subject for $2.50, and here is the loose leaf paper for $1. And how many come in there? 125. Guys, 200 You can find this at Dollar Tree, 200 sheets for $1. Then you have your Xerox paper over here for $2.50, and here are your dry erase boards, some more student planners over here, and some surge protectors. The surge protectors, guys, I don't see a price on these. Over here you have some aluminum pans, guys, and like I said, on this side over here is just your drinks. Okay, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar General to check out some of their home decor and some of their school supplies, and I'll see you guys in another video.